The journey to success is about making better changes, developing an effective plan, putting the plan into action, and measuring your performance. An action plan is about developing a mission and a vision, setting objectives, then creating a strategy to achieve the objectives, executing the strategy, monitoring performance, and then taking corrective action. Creating a vision for success should be brief and focused. Your vision should be how you define success, and it should be a simple, straightforward statement. It should define your success. It should state where you want to go, and your vision gives you the best chance of getting where you want to go. In developing a vision and a mission, you need to ask yourself, what is your vision? Where are you and your business headed? What am I trying to build? What should the future look like? So you should define the timeline of your future, both in the near term and out for 5 to 10 years. Here are some thoughts for you. Where am I going from here? What am I trying to create? What capability do I need to develop? And what do I need to do to get there? Success results from commitment, and commitment means having a purpose. Get out of your own way, be confident in your ability, work to enhance your ability, and know that you will succeed. Why have a vision? Well, it forces you to think about the future. It puts you on a committed path to what you intend to accomplish. It guides your decision making, and it focuses you in the direction you will be going and on what you want to achieve. A strategic vision defines your business. It decides on a long-term pathway for you to pursue. It communicates your vision in ways that are clear, exciting, and inspiring. Here are some concluding thoughts. Your vision needs to be specific. Try to set yourself apart. Create your own special identity. Determine your unique purpose and create a pathway for developing that purpose.